Need to delete a video you've posted to YouTube but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a YouTube video on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get started. To begin, open the YouTube app on your iOS device. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select My Channel. At the top, tap Videos. Scroll through your library of videos to find the one you want to delete. Tap the three dots to the right of the video title. In the menu that appears, tap Delete. To confirm, tap OK. That's all it takes to delete a YouTube video on an iOS device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.